Alright, good morning guys. It's Friday, feeling good. I did the quality control check on this Wednesday, I think. They're coming to pick it up today, so I was just checking the fluids again, make sure it's 100% good. It is, of course. And I'm fixing to put the GPS on this truck. We're a little low here. I'm going to go ahead and top it off. Power steering's good. No cupping on the tires. Let's check low by real quick. I started to do this off camera, and I said, you know what, while I'm going over it, while I'm fixing to put the GPS on, I might as well do the quality control check video as well. No cupping on the tires. Coolidge in between it's at a good level. It's right there. There's full. No debris. It's not running weird. It's not leaking any oil. This is 371231. I figured while I'm going through it, I might as well do it on camera because it's the same stuff I do regardless. Sliding fifth wheel, you got the aluminum wheels with the arrow on it. Lights going. You got your DOT, and up in the corners DOT. Very nice. Tires all have air in them. Beautiful. Looks like a new bag, honestly. Haha! I knew that I put it somewhere. Ow, my wrist! I knew I put it somewhere. Alright. You got your fire extinguisher, your triangles. Fire extinguisher's in date. I'm gonna clean it out. Wipers. Washer. There's driver window. Passenger window. I got the lights going as well. Driver mirror. No warnings, no codes. Only thing is add fuel. Go ahead and turn all the lights off. $11,696 engine hours. Check radio real quick. Don't know what that is, but hey, radio works. Oh, ow. God, that wrist is still bothering me. Look at that. I don't know if it's gonna show up on camera, but it's a little swollen. Owner's manuals and all that. Hey, does this work? Hell yeah, it does. Let's check under bunk. Oh. Nice. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and shut it off. Check the oil, and let's check the oil. Come on. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to give this engine a second to settle down, aren't I? Sorry, you're currently looking at nothing. Oil's nice and warm. Sometimes you gotta give these engines a second to like let all the oil settle down. Let's see if that's the case here. We're good. A little dirty. Could use an oil change, of course, but if you're buying something used, either ask the dealer for an oil change or go get it maintenanced yourself. I always get my stuff maintenance myself just so I know everything was done the way I wanted it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put that in, and everything's nice and tight. Belt's in good shape, I don't see any cracking. Very nice. I'm sure this truck will do good for the new owners. Let me get that in. Let me get the GPS in. Thanks for watching, and guys, come see us. Thanks for watching.